welcome back to the channel. Today's video we're still going to be working on the 6.8 Triton truck, and we're converting over to a 6.0 Power Stroke. And this is the truck we're going to be using for donor, sort of. This is the 6.0 Power Stroke truck. It's a 05, I think, cab and a half. And this video might be a little choppy, so you're gonna have to bear with me. So we'll just start up here in the front, just kind of go over what we took off of it, and we'll just go from the front to the back. In the front here, all the front, like the radiator, the intercooler and all that stuff, I don't know where they're at. I think they're gone. And the motor and transmission also, they're gone. I don't know where we put them. We put them somewhere, but the main things we took off of was all the, like here there was the electrical, the harness that ran here, and then here for the headlights and all that good stuff. And we took that off, and here we took the hydro boost and the little master cylinder. We took that off, and that's pretty much it. Here we got a gearbox here still, and got these lines that we might need. These are transmission lines, but we'll leave them on there and we'll see once we need them. So here in the cab, let's go inside the cab. Inside the cab, well, the dash is gone because it's already on the other truck over there. Put it over there. And here we took all the wiring harness also. It was like the fuse box and all that good stuff. And we got this. I don't know if we're gonna need I don't know if it's the same as the one it has over there, but we took all the wirings that runs from here to the front, and then from here it runs for the speakers and stuff all back here, and then back here the wiring that ran all the way to the back for the lights back there. We took all that away, so that should be good. And then the tank that went right here, we took that over too. And I think that's it for now. Once we start needing more stuff, we'll just come and see if we can find some stuff. Like back here we still got the bumper we need to take off and stuff, but we're far away from that. So, and then this is the bed. It used to be in good condition, but one night it was hanging in the air, or we had it on top of some cylinders, and then the wind pushed it over, and then this corner got smashed up. So, but other than that, I actually did both corners. This corner also a little bit smashed, but it should be good. It's white. It's a little bit different color, but that should be good for now. And then, so for now, what we'll do is we're gonna go ahead and go over the back to the truck and check it out over there. Let's go. All right, guys. Here a little update. So I got this frame scraped up and all the wiring out of it, all the sanded a little bit. It's pretty rusted, so we just spray paint it and call it good. So now I put the axles on there, and they're not hooked up very good. They're just there so the truck's a little higher, so we could go under it. And in here we took the seat out and then switched the dash to put the diesel dash, because I had the gas one and that one doesn't work. So yep. Okay, get in there, put most of the wiring, diesel wiring on there, and I think that should be good. So right now we're gonna start, see if we can get the gas tank in there, and yep, go from there. All right.